How to create a Facebook business page. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to create a Facebook business page. So first of all, just simply open your Facebook account, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials, and after that just simply click on the three dot menu icon from the top right corner of your mobile screen, and over here you will be able to see the option called pages. Under the creator support tab, just simply click on this flag icon which says pages, and after that over here you have the option to which says create at the top left hand side corner. Just simply click on create, and now it says that create your own page. A page is a space where people can publicly connect with your business, personal brands or organizations. Just simply click on get started, and now you have to enter the name of your page. I'm entering mine. You can enter any of the name. You can also enter your business name over here if you want to, and click on next. And now just select the category in which you are dealing in and click on create, and now it says that you have created your page. You have to choose the option which describes your goal the best. So you can go ahead and select the option which says promote your products or services, or if you are a creator, so you can click on create content and connect with fans. So I'm going to select my purpose and click on continue from the bottom of the screen again. And over here on this page, in order to finish setting up your page, you need to enter a general bio for your business page, and after that just simply enter your contact details like your website URL, your email address, your phone number, location, zip code. You can also enter your hours on which you will be available while you will be using the page, and click on next. And now you can also go ahead and customize your page. You can go ahead and add the profile picture and the banner, which will make your business profile more customizable and personal, and click on next if you want to edit these details later on. And you can also go ahead and invite friends if you want to. Click on next and enable the notification of your profile and other things. And now as you can see that your Facebook business page has been created successfully. Now you can go ahead and take a tour and see all the things that you can do, and how you can use this particular business page of yours and connect with your potential customers and people out there. So yeah, this is basically how simple it is to create a Facebook business page. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.